सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 10, verse number 23. रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि वित्तेषो यक्षरक्षसाम् वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि मेरुशिखरिणामहम्। Lord Krishna enumerating his vibhutis or manifestation in so many objects in this whole creation. For the sake of meditation or alambanam, one has to know which object is suitable for me to do meditation. That means a symbol or a form. A symbol or a form I can choose according to my nature, which is very much pleasing to me. So any object which I choose is connected to Bhagavan, because Lord is manifesting in everything. Since Lord is manifesting in everything, can I take any object for meditation? Object for meditation or upasana means thinking about Lord upon that object, looking at that object, thinking that Bhagavan is in this object. This is called Nikrishta Vastuni Utkrishta Bhavana. That is called Alambanam. We keep one object in front of us. In this form, I am visualizing the Paramatma for meditation's sake. The whole vibhuti we are coming to know about God only meant for what? Upasana, meditation. That is why meditation course. Before 6th chapter I took meditation. While 6th chapter going on also I took meditation. Now also we are taking meditation. The 6th chapter meditation is Vedantic meditation. Now this meditation is called Vishwarupa Dhyana. Vishwarupa Dhyanam, Aneka Rupa Dhyanam. That Arupa Dhyanam is not possible, Arjuna. Arupa Dhyanam, Jnanam is possible by Vishwarupa Dhyanam. On formless, how can you meditate? You cannot meditate. You can understand what it is. You have to understand. So, if you feel difficult to do Vedantic meditation, other day one student is asking, Swamini, you are asking me to do Vedantic meditation, Aham Brahmasmi, think as you are that Brahma Swarupamana. How to know that Brahma Swarupamana? In spite of listening Vedanta from past 5 years, how to recognize that? How to find out that Brahman? As long as you have doubts, Shastra is not clear in artham. సాధనలో డౌట్స్ ఇరుక్కునే వరకు ఎన్న అర్థం? శాస్త్రం పురియలని అర్థం. పురియలని అని అర్థం படிச்சினது இன்னும் பத்தலை అని అర్థం. இன்னும் படிக்கணும். Further you have to study more and more. Therefore, what we have to understand is, let me continue my study. Never come to conclusion, I have understood. Like this, when we are climbing to the temple, when you want to go to that Lord who is on the mountain, ஏறும்போது என்ன கேட்போம் நிறைய வாட்டி, இன்னும் எவ்வளோ தூரம் இருக்கு, how far it is. You go on asking the person who is coming down, இன்னும் எவ்வளோ படி இருக்கும், ஏறினாத தெரியும், வந்தால் டெம்பிள் வரும் இல்லையோ. Anyhow, temple comes, it comes. As long as I am not able to see the temple, means there is further more distance. அதனால விட மாட்டோம். We go on asking the person, how far it is, how many steps more there. Like that, in spiritual sadhana also, people go on questioning themselves or asking others. இன்னும் ரொம்ப படிச்சுட்டே இருந்தால் கூட வரவே மாட்டேங்கிறதே அது என்ன. Until you get, you study, that's all. Already you are on the middle of that mountain, you are climbing off. Why to go back? Anyhow, let us go front only. Let me see God darshan, let me have darshan of the Lord. அது மாதிரி ஜீவன யாத்திரையில் you have to continue the process studying. So for that, alambanam is in which form I have to take. Selective forms Bhagavan is giving in this Vibhuti Yoga, prescribed by the Vedas. That is why Vedic meditation இது புரியுறதா. ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபார்ம், எனக்கு பிடிச்சின ஃபார்ம் எடுத்துக்கிற சுவாமி, ஒரு ஃப்ளவரோ ஒரு தீபமோ எது எனக்கு பிடிக்குமோ அதை எடுத்துக்கிறேன்னா அப்படி கிடையாது. அதுக்கு ஒரு பத்ததி இருக்கு. So for that பத்ததி, Vedic gods we should know what are all prescribed in Shastra. How do I know, how I come to know all this? By studying Shastra. For that meditation. That's why Lord Krishna says, Aham Rudranam Shankaraha Asmi. I am the Shankara among the Rudras. These 11 Adityas, 11 Rudras born out of Brahmaji. When Brahmaji was so angry, அவருக்கு கோபம் வந்துதான். All these Rudras born when Shankara, Brahmaji was so angry that all of them born these Rudras, 11 Rudras. These 11 Rudras all are sannyasis. They born only to give Brahma Vidya to the whole society. All Rudras born from Brahmaji to give Brahma Vidya to the whole society. All are sannyasis. So they are called 11 Rudras. Shankaraha means I am that Mangala Swarupaha, auspicious Mangala Swarupaha Shankaraha. Among these 11, upon whom you have to meditate, and not all 11. Among those 11 Rudras, Shankaraha, upon Shankara you have to meditate. Our Cholala Bhagavan, I am Shankaraha Asmin, Keshu Keshu cha Bhaveshu Chintyosi Bhagavan Maya, Arjuna asked. Upon so many objects are there, on which object I have to meditate? You have asked me. You meditate upon Shankaraha. Or lot of choice Bhagavan is giving. Supermarket madri. So many varieties of gods. Shankaraha Asmi. Vitteshaha. I am Vitteshaha. I am Kubera. Among the Yaksha Rakshasan. Among Yaksha Kinnara Kimpurusha. Among them Gandharvas. All celestials. They are also my manifestation only. But among them, you meditate upon Kubera, the best one. அப்போ என்ன சுவாமின்னு, all others are not the best. அப்படியெல்லாம் கேட்கக்கூடாது. You have asked me what you want to do meditation. ஏதோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாள். ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் டீச்சர் சேஸ், it means all are not important ன்னு அர்த்தமா? You like, you choose, you focus on this question, definitely will come for examination ன்னு அர்த்தம். கண்டிப்பாக வருமானு கேட்கக்கூடாது. அப்புறம் சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் அப்புறம் என்ன அர்த்தம்னா நம்பிக்கை இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம் ஆகிடும் டீச்சர் மேலே. வாட் எவர் டீச்சர் சேஸ் important question, I have to study. Like that, aham vitteshaha. Vitta means money, you know. Ishaha means master. Vitteshaha means master of the whole wealth. Who is master? You know. Kubera. அங்கே ஹரித்வார்லனா ரிஷிகேஷ்லனா ஒன்று குபேரர் ஸ்தானம் இருக்கு. If you keep one coin there, you will become a richest person. போய் பார்த்துட்டு வந்தாலும் everybody keep one coin there. Swamiji was telling sometime. So one devotee gave 1 rupee coin to Swamiji. Swamiji thought she is giving to Swamiji 1 rupee coin. What she said to Swamiji, Swamiji, you take this rupee coin because you are going to Rishikesh. Definitely you will go to Haridwar. Therefore you keep this coin there, Kubera, near Kubera, and bring back, give to me. Give to me. Because she want to become rich. Already rich. Some more money. Kutti podano ellame. Interest mere interest vande. Like that, people are very, very fond of this Kubera. Of course, money is required. Without dhanam moolam idam jagat. Panam illamale kaaseda kadavulada. Therefore what? Do meditation upon Kubera if you want. I am manifesting there. Up to here we saw in the last class. Pavakaha asmi vasunam. Vasunam, among the vasus, ashta vasus, 8 vasus are there. Among 8 vasus, I am the Pavakaha, purifier. Pavakaha means, Pavakaha nu sonna namakku enna gnapagam varum? அந்த பாவக்காய் கிடையாது. Pavakaha means the one who is the purifier, one who purifies. Pavakaha. Therefore meditate upon that purifier Agni, I am. Next, aham sikharinam meruhu. You can choose either Meru Parvatam to meditate upon. Everest. There are 8 peaks are there. Among so many peaks, Everest peak, that is called Meru here. Big peak. That is that Meru. Shikharina means again among mountains. Among peaked mountains, I am that Meru. You can meditate upon. We have to supply everywhere. You like to meditate upon that, you can meditate. What about other peaks and all? That also, but I am the Meru. So, இப்படி சொன்ன என்னன்னா, we get more Shraddha. அவ்வளோதான். We get more Shraddha. See, Bhagavan said, Meru, he is manifesting among the mountain peaks, he is the Meru. Therefore, let me meditate upon Meru. That is the reason. Meditation is meant for that only. Next shloka. This is only for reverential attitude. Develops the reverential attitude. Yajna buddhi and solva. Yajna buddhi means what? Worshipping attitude, reverential attitude. You will get it. Next 24. Purodhasam cha mukhyam mam Vidhi partha brihaspatiam Senani namaham skandaham Sarasamasmi sagaraham I said yajna buddhi na reverential attitude. The more reverential attitude develop, I feel more friendly with the nature. I feel more friendly with the whole nature, all beings, animate or inanimate, moving or non-moving. I develop an attitude of worshipful attitude. So friendly attitude. It is congenial for my well-being, that attitude. I can relax, I feel friendly, congenial. I become a healthy person. If suppose if I don't have a reverential attitude, the worshipful attitude, what is opposite to the yajna buddhi? Bhoga buddhi. I want to enjoy. And the whole nature is meant for me to consume, to enjoy. That is called bhoga buddhi. That buddhi is called a picnic attitude. Like in my camps, when I keep sadhana camp, Swamini, when you will take tour? It's a picnic attitude. I am go on telling you, 10 years I am conducting camp, sadhana camp, I am telling. When is our next tour? Which place you are going to take? This is what bhoga buddhi. The tour manasula vandale bhoga buddhi. If it is as a pilgrimage, sadhana, I have to see that Lord, I have to worship that Lord, let me do sadhana. If that mind is there, what buddhi? Yajna buddhi. So, on the tour angra word pohanum. This word kadiyadu நம்ம நாட்டில. அந்த யாத்திரைக்கு போய் வரேன், தீர்த்த யாத்திரைக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன்னு சொல்லுவான். அந்த காலத்துல இப்படி எல்லாமே நாங்கள் டூருக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தோம். எங்க ஹரித்வாருக்கு டூருக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தோம். ஹரித்வாருக்கு how it can become a tour? இதனை ஊட்டி கொடைக்குனால எக்ஸ்கர்ஷன் போயிட்டு வர மாதிரி புத்தி மாறி போச்சு பாருங்க. தீர்த்த யாத்திரை போயிட்டு வந்தோம்னு சொல்லுவான். பெரியவங்க எல்லாம் எங்கே போயிட்டு வந்தோம்னா தீர்த்த யாத்திரை பண்ணிட்டு வந்தோம்னா, தீர்த்தம்னா ஒரு ரிவர். Wherever there is a holy river, that is called தீர்த்தம் பேர். அந்த தீர்த்தம் இருக்கிற இடத்துக்கு போனா அது தீர்த்த யாத்ரா, journey. A journey to which place I have gone where there is a river. Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Tungabhadra, anywhere you see God connected in the river, both are there together. So this is called reverential attitude. This is called yajna buddhi. 3 நாள் காலியா இருக்கு, 1 week காலியா இருக்கு, அதனால அங்கே போயிட்டு வரேன், ஜஸ்ட் டூருக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன். இந்த டூரிஸ்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் they are arranging, so that's why people are all just telling like that. So that is not the idea of any of our people visiting, seeing that pilgrimage, going to those places is yajna buddhi. In this shloka, Lord Krishna says, Aham purodhasam mukhyam asmi. You have to supply. You know me to be as Brihaspati. Vidhi mam is there. Mam means ennai. Vidhi means may you know. Hey Partha, O Arjuna, may you know the foremost, the mukhya means the foremost, purodhasam, among the priests, I am the Brihaspati, may you know. There are, purodhas means priest. Why his priest is called purodhas? Purodhasa means nirdharane shashti. Among those priests, among those priests, purodhas enna perna, priest is always in front. And the ritual பண்ணும்போது who is sitting there? Gurukal. Priest is sitting there. So purodhas, priest, the one who sit in purand front. Purohit, puraha, sthitaha, one who is seated in front is called purohit. Sit in front where? In front of the ritual. Whenever they do ritual, this ritual, Agnihotram or Yajnam, Yagam, anything, who is the god? Indra is the god. So on that Indranakaha Pandrambodu and the Yagam, Yajnam thing, and the priest is sitting in front. So the priest, important priest of Indra, anartham, Purodhas, Purodhasam, among so many priests, who am I? Brihaspati. మనం తమిళ్లో బృహస్పతి சொல்லுவோம், அந்த బృహస్పతి சொல்லக்கூடாது, எல்லாம் நெகட்டிவ் சென்ஸ்ல சொல்றோம். This is in a positive way we have to take. Brihaspati means here words represent knowledge, lord of wisdom అని అర్థం. బృహస్పతి the lord of wisdom, బుద్ధికి అధిష్టాన దేవత బృహస్పతి. அவருக்கு கோபம் வந்தா புத்தியை வேலை பண்ணாது. So therefore Brihaspatiக்கு நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும். Meditate upon Brihaspati, who is the lord of wisdom, or Vachaspati in peru. Vachaspati. Therefore some pandits, very very scholarly people, they give title Vachaspati. Our surname is Mishra. அவருக்கு என்ன இது டைட்டில் என்ன? வாச்சஸ்பதினா. இப்போ பத்மஸ்ரீ பத்ம விபூஷன் இதெல்லாம் தேர் கிவிங் நோ லோக்கல்லி பீப்புளுக்கு. இப்போ லைக் தட் தோஸ் டேஸ் இன் அ ஸ்காலர்லி பர்சன் வெல் வெர்ஸ்ட் இன் ஸ்கிரிப்சர்ஸ், தே யூஸ் டு கிவ் வாச்சஸ்பதி. தட் மீன்ஸ் பிருஹஸ்பதி. த டைட்டில் தே கிவ் தட். ஸோ அமாங் த ப்ரீஸ்ட் I am the Brihaspati, who guide the people in religious activities. Next, Aham Senaninam Skandaha, among the army leaders. Sena means army. Senaninam, the one, Sena means army, and the Senani, and the one, Nayate, the one who leads the Sena, the army, is called Senani. Among those army leaders, there are so many army leaders. One group of army is there. For every group of army, one commander-in-chief. That commander-in-chief is among so many commander-in-chiefs, Senanis, I am Skandaha. Skandaha, I am Skandaha. Devasenapati in artham. Skandaha means here skandam, skandate bahirgacchati iti Skandaha. An embodiment of Brahmagnanam. Who? Muruga. Subramanya. Subramanya taught what? Brahma Vidya to Shiva. They say the Omkara mantrame Subramanya சொன்னார். Why is called Subramanya? Shobhanam Brahmana pashyate yaha yasya saha. Shobhanam Brahmana yasya saha. The one who is an embodiment of Brahma Vidya is called Subramanya. Su stands for Shobhanam. Brahmana, Brahmanya, andra Brahmana is there. The one who is an embodiment of self-knowledge. Subramanya, the Skandaha. Skanda, the one means to originate. From that third eye of Lord Shiva, he born, they say. See, this third eye also represents Jnanam. From Lord Shiva's eye, Lord Subramanya born. So naturally third eye is stand for Jnana Netram. So therefore Subramanya must be what? Jnana Netram. That's why all Chennai people, Subramanya Bhaktas, Tamil Nadu சொன்னாலே சுப்பிரமணியர் தான் ஞாபகம் வருவார் இல்லையோ. முருகா, Muruga is a deity, god of Tamilians. And generally, maximum people worship Lord Muruga. So therefore, anyhow, that's why many people are attending classes. I am very happy. Okay. Brahma Vidyakaha varayan liyo. Papam kashtapatted. Sarasam Sagaraha Asmi. Therefore, you all meditate upon Subramanya. Ipo பண்ணலாமா வேண்டாமா? பழனி போய் வரலாம், வடபழனி கூட போயிட்டு வரலாம். வர்ஷிப் சுப்பிரமணியம். சுப்பிரமணியம் இல்லாத வீடு கிடையாது இல்லையா? பேரும் இருக்கும், சுப்பிரமணியம் காட் பிரம்மா கூட இருக்கும் ஃபோட்டோ. தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் சரசா மீன்ஸ் among the reservoirs of waters. Among waters. I am the Sagaraha, the ocean. I am the ocean. Among those, where are all places? There are water is there, small lakes, small ponds, and big lakes, reservoirs. நமக்கு இருக்குல்ல இங்கே ரெட் ஹில்ஸ் அங்கே லேக்ஸ் எல்லாமே. Among all these water storing places, which one is the huge magnanimous ocean? So therefore Bhagavan says, I am the ocean. Therefore why we do meditation upon this Varuna, water, Samudraha, you can meditate upon that. Sarasam asmi Sagaraha. Sagaraha means ocean. Sarasa means among lakes. This is the biggest lake. அதுக்கு லேக்குன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, அதனாலதான் சமுத்ரஹா. Next shloka we will read. In that 24th shloka, about priest, when we are talking, sometimes we don't get priest to perform a ritual. Suppose you yourself do. No? Nowadays, Varalakshmi Nomba, nobody is calling priest. அது ஒரு கேசட் கிடைக்கும், அந்த கேசட் போட்டு எல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கோம் என்ன பண்ணணும் எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு. இதை சே இன் தட். ஸோ தே டூ பூஜா. என்ன அந்த வாத்தியார் கிடைக்கிறது கஷ்டம், அதில் குருதட்சிணா எதுக்கு? சாஸ்திரம் சே ஈவன் வாத்தியார் வந்தாலும் வரட்டாலும் கூட நீங்கள் குருதட்சிணா அங்கே வைக்கணும். வித்தவுட் தட்சிணா தட் விரத்தம் வில் நாட் கிவ் பலம். Nothing is available free. You have to give something dakshina. இந்த புரோஹிதன் இல்லாட்டாலும் கூட நீங்க அங்கே தட்சிணை வைக்கணும். தட்சிணாவோட பிராமுக்கியதான. So you have to keep. But at the same time we have to know this Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra cannot perform ritual, then cannot make others to do ritual. To make others do ritual, as a priesthood they cannot take up. Priesthood they cannot take up. They can perform ritual, but they have to call the priest. That's why Brahmanas are those people who take up only priesthood. இப்போ புரோஹிதன்னா கேவலமாக they are looking ஆர்டினரி புரோஹிதன். ஆர்டினரி புரோஹிதன் அவருக்கு மோட்டர் பைக் இருக்கும், செல்ஃபோன் இருக்கும், அது வேற விஷயம். But they look down upon that. Really speaking, that is high post. High post and rituals all can be performed only by the priest. At the same time, this Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, when they call the priest to perform the rituals, they have to respect that priest. We should not criticize the priest. This much he is demanding, that much he is demanding. We should not criticize. He is equal to God. Priestக்கு கொடுக்கணும், எக்கச்சக்கமாக பணம் இருக்கும், ஆனாலும் அவருக்கு கொடுக்கறதுக்கு வந்தப்போ இதுக்கு இவ்வளோ பணம் கொடுக்கணும். If we don't give dakshina properly, and the whole ritual will not give total benefit. Therefore, why Purohita only has to do? Why not me? Suppose Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra things. இதுக்காக நான் புரோஹிதன் கூப்பிடணும், பிராமணன் தேவையா, வாத்தியார் தேவையான்னு சொன்ன, சப்போஸ் they do. புரோஹிதன் கூட அப்படியே நினைச்சான், புரோஹிதா cannot rule, புரோஹிதா cannot do business. He can do, but his mental makeup is only to this. Kshatriya mental makeup is only for administration. Vaishya mental makeup is not makeup. Okay, makeup means the mind preparation is meant for that business, and Shudra meant for that agriculture. A Brahmana cannot struggle in the field. A Kshatriya also cannot struggle in the field just as Shudra does. What Shudra can do, Brahmana cannot do. What Kshatriya can do, a Vaishya cannot do. What Vaishya can do, a Kshatriya cannot do. That's why no profession is inferior. We saw this in 4th chapter. All professions are important. What Kshatriya is so powerful, Brahmana uffana keela viduduru. He cannot do. But the pronunciation, mantra chanting, Brahmana, because he has mastered generation, Vamsha Parampariyama vandandirukadu genes la. So every field has to be maintained. Business, agriculture, administration and the rituals. Everything has to be maintained by that society, Brahmana and Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. In our culture, in our in our religion also, we have never looked down upon any caste. We have to understand this. Brahmanana ஏதோ உயர்ந்தவன், சூத்ரன் ஏதோ தாழ்ந்தவன், அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது. அப்படி கிடையவே கிடையாது. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம வச்சுக்கினதுதான். So if you study Shastra, how many Brahmanas went to learn from Kshatriyas, you can understand. Even Shudras have right to get Brahmajnana. Shudras also can get Brahmajnana. There is no caste, religion, bar at all to get Brahma Vidya. Shastra never say this knowledge is only for Brahmanas or only for Kshatriyas. Brahma Vidya is for all. But when you come to Karma Kanda, it divides according to your physical strength, intellectual knowledge. It divides that rituals. To Brahmanas some rituals, Kshatriyas Rajasuya Yagam, Vaishyas Vaishya Devam, and Shudras also have their own rituals. Shudra and the Yagam and Nirke. So they have their own rituals. There is no any disparity. Next, this shloka, we have read this shloka, 25? Okay. Maharshīṇāṃ bhruguraham giramasmekamaksharam yajñānaṃ japayajñosmi sthāvaraṇāṃ himalayah. Lord Krishna continues his Vibhuti, Maharshīṇāṃ. Among the great sages, I am Aham Bhruguhu. I am the Bhrugu Maharshi. There are Sapta Rishis. Among those Sapta Rishis, Bhrugu Maharshi is one of the greatest sage. Who are they? We saw in previous classes, Bhrugu, Marichi, Pulasya, and Kratu, Atri, Pulaha, Vashishta. All of them are Sapta Rishis. Aham Bhruguhu. Maharshi, why he is called Maharshi? Mahan Rishihi is called Maharshi. All people, they are calling themselves as Maharshi. They themselves they are calling as Maharshi. And they are keeping before their name Maharshi and so on and so on. You are not supposed to call yourself as Maharshi. After generation, people recognize you. You are great Rishi. Mahan Rishi. Why is called Rishi? Rishati, Janati, Brahma Tattvam iti Rishihi. The one who knows that Brahman is called Rishi. Rishis are mostly Grihasthas. Munis are all sannyasis. There is a small difference between Muni and Rishi. Namakella Dadiwala is Muni or Rishi, we say. It is not so. Muni is one who lives in the forest. Mananat iti munihi. The one who sit in a calm and solitude place and always do nididhyasana is called Muni. All grihasthas, they are called rishis. Grihastha jnanis are called rishis. Sannyasi jnanis are called munis. Generally, convention is that. So, this Bhrigu Maharshi, once he want to test the Rishi, this Trimurtis. You know this story also. Bhrigu Maharshi want to test these Trimurtis kopam varma varada. Paakalame. Trimurtis means they are not supposed to get anger. We will come to conclusion. Ivar kopam vanda ivarenna periya veshamana ivarke kopam varudanu solluvom. And then Bhrigu Maharshi want to test this Shiva, Vishnu and Maheshwara. And he went and he said something with Brahmaji and Shiva. They are really, they lost their temper. Who? Shiva and Brahmaji. Then this Bhrigu went to Vishnu. Let me see. These two, Shiva, Brahmaji failed. They are all short-tempered people. They got anger immediately. And he went to Vishnu. And in the Vishnu he went and he just pushed Vishnu on his chest with his foot. Kaal vechi the Vishnu chest lo appadi push pannitaru. Hit it. Then Vishnu asked Bhrigu Maharshi, unga kaalukku edavadhu konjam vali vandado paathukonga nu sonnar. Have you got hurt in your foot? Vishnu asked. Bhrigu thought Vishnu also will get anger. But on the other hand, Vishnu asked, after hitting me, you may got pain in your foot. How is your leg? How is your foot? Then Bhrigu said, Bhagavan, you are really great. That means, how much great Bhrigu? Imagine, he want to test Trimurtis and he must be so great. Adi paakanu namanga. ஒருத்தனை டெஸ்ட் பண்ணது போகணும்னா யூ மஸ்ட் பி கிரேட்டர் தேன் தட் பர்சன். அவனே டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு போன சாம்பியன் ஆஃப் த சாம்பியன்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி அதே வேர்ல்டு சாம்பியன் சொல்லுவேன் இல்லையா, பிரதம மல்ல நியாய மாதிரி. யூ வாண்ட் டு டெஸ்ட் சரி சச் ஏ கிரேட் Bhrigu I am. Therefore meditate upon Bhrigu Maharshi. You can take it as alambanam, Bhrigu Maharshi. Then Giram ekam aksharam ahamasmi. Among words, Giram means words. Veda Shabdanam. Giryate, Uchyate, iti Giraha. Uchyate means you utter. Once you utter the words, Shabdam, Giryate, Giryante, Uchyante, iti Giraha. Giram, among the words, Aham, what? Ekam aksharam. Ekam aksharam means Omkara. I am the word Om, consisting of Ekam aksharam, one syllable. Akshara means syllable. And the syllable Omkara is a monosyllable. Only one letter it is. Ekam aksharam. So meditate upon Omkara. So Omkara Dhyanam, generally in our Vedic meditation, it is a part of Omkara Dhyanam. Vedic meditation lo Omkara Dhyanam is included. Grihasthas are not supposed to do Omkara Dhyanam alone. This is called Shastra Paddhati. Nowadays everybody is doing Om, 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 Omkara Dhyanam. Omkara Dhyanam is recommended only to sannyasis. For what about Grihasthas? Grihastha can chant Omkara along with Bhagavan's name. Bhagavan's name. Wife name சொல்லிண்டே இருக்காரு ஏற்கனவே. ஒரு வாட்டி கல்யாணம் ஆயிடுச்சப்போ என்னன்னா ஒய்ஃபு கூட்டிகிட்டே இருக்கணுமே பேர் வச்சுட்டு அந்த ஜப்பம் நடந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும், அது வேறு. So once the Grihastha, he has taken up householder life, he has to chant Omkara along with Bhagavan's name. Om Vigneshwaraya Namaha, Om Sri Ramaya Namaha, Om Sri Krishnaya Namaha. That's why Om illamale oru namam irukadu. So Omkara and followed by other name. அது ஓம்காரமும் இருக்கணும், இந்த பேரும் இருக்கணும். சன்னியாசி only ஓம் ஓம். இப்படி சொன்னா என்ன உடனே நானும் ஓம்காரம் சொல்றேன்னா, இதுதான் நமக்கு எப்பவுமே எது வேண்டான்னு சொல்லுமோ சாஸ்திரம் அதே பண்ணணும்னு ஆசை வரும். ஸோ சாஸ்திரா, வாட் எவர் சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் வி ஹாவ் டு லிசன். சாஸ்திரா எவ்ரிதிங் இட் prescribe for so and so person, this status is required, this level of person. You follow. Gayatri mantra has to be chanted by so and so person, so and so sect. Let them chant. You have some other mantras you chant. No. Why not we? Like that people argue. This is all argument sake panna koncham and argument type la irukkum. Vitandavadam ani solluva. We are not going to get any benefit. Whatever Shastra says, you listen. எதுக்கு அதில் அகங்காரம் நமக்கு? பண்ண வேண்டிய கர்மாக்கள் எல்லாம் நல்லா பண்ணாவே போதும். ஸோ எவ்ரி திங் லீட் டு பகவான் ஓன்லி. ஆகாஷாத் பதிதம் தோயம் யதா கச்சதி சாகரம் சர்வதேவ நமஸ்காரம் கேசவம் பிரதிகச்சதி. வாட் எவர் ட்ராப்லெட் ஃபால் ஃப்ரம் த ஸ்கை, இட் ஹேஸ் டு ரீச் டு வாட்? ஓஷன். So every type of worship leads to what? Bhagavan. Where it leads? Bhagavan. Therefore we should not look down upon our own sadhana. So sadhana, mantra or anything is not inferior. The puja is not inferior. But how you look at that sadhana, mantra. That's why Valmiki is not able to, when he was Ratnakara, he is not able to utter Rama. What he said? You know, all of you, Mara, 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 he said. But with what attitude? Reverential attitude, bhakti, shraddha. And what a mantra that power gave to him, no? He became a Maharshi. Valmiki Maharshi. What is his caste, tell me? Shudra. How a Shudra can be called as Maharshi? Purified, Guna Brahmanaiter. Jati Shudra, Ratnakara became Guna Brahmana. He got Maharshi. Vyasa Maharshi. Vyasa is not a Brahmana. Maharshi. Bhagavan Vyasa we say. எங்கப்பா ஹிந்துவிசம்ல கேஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்க சொல்லு? இங்கே புராணாஸில் கிடையாது, சாஸ்திரம்லாம் கிடையாது, எங்கேயுமே கிடையாது. These people are not knowing the Shastra and criticizing Hinduism. This is wrong, no? Valmiki Maharshi, Bhagavan, purify yourself. You are caste-wise, Jati Brahma, Sudra Ananam Kuda, you can become a Guna Brahmana. You get moksha. You will get knowledge. Who are you? Nobody can obstruct. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad we saw. Even Devatas cannot stop. எனக்கு மோட்சம் வேணும்னு சொன்னா who will can stop? I am not Brahmana, I am not Kshatriya, otherwise I am not doing rituals and all. First you are having pure heart, pure mind, Shraddha and Shastra, Bhakti and Guru. If you have, moksha will come to you. You need not run for moksha, moksha will come to you. வேண்டான்னு சொன்னாலும் வந்துடும். Therefore, equip yourself first. Qualify yourself. Purify yourself, your mind. Alochanai. Giram ekam aksharam. Aksharam means Omkara. How this Omkara has come, you know that. Lot of history is there behind this Omkara, how it has come. The Veda today Saram. 3 letters are there. Akara, Ukara, Makara. When they churned, Brahmaji churned Rigveda, what came? Not Akara. Gayatri mantra. Tat sa Viturarinyam. When Brahmaji, everyone went to Brahmaji and asked, who can study this Rigveda? No time to study now. Brahmaji want to give a short shloka, mantra, so that people can get the benefit of Vedic chanting. பண்ண எவ்வளோ பெனிஃபிட் வருமோ அந்த பெனிஃபிட் இந்த காயத்ரி மந்திரம் படித்தா வரும்னா. அப்போது ரிக்வேத ஹி ஹச்சன் தத் சவிதவரேண்யம் it came one line. Then he churned Yajurveda, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, one sentence came. Then Samaveda he had churned, then it came Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayad, 3 line. Then Brahma said, all of you chant these 3 lines. Whatever benefit you get by chanting Veda mantras, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, you will get it. The people are becoming lazy, but day by day. Appo 3 lines Tatsa Vitravarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Ayyo, romba kashtam. Ane chonna udane, in the simple method, namakella shortcut method vedu eppovume. Simple method. Instant coffee madri. Instant coffee na appadiye dip panna coffee vandidum and packet. Adu madri venum. So Bhagavan Brahmaji, and what he did again, he chanted Tatsa Vitravarenyam. From that Bhuhu came. Vyahriti came. Bhuhu. Again he churned that Tatsa Vitravarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, second sentence of Gayatri he had churned. Then what came? Bhuvaha. Then Yajurveda he had churned Suvaha came. These 3 put together Vyahritis. We saw in Taittiriya Upanishad long ago. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha, Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha. Then people again went to Brahmaji. In the Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha kuda kashtamā irukku, innu short form venana. Bhagavan parungoda porumayam. Thiruppi and the Vyahrithana chant panna Bhuhul and the Akara came, 1 letter. And again he chanted the Bhuvaha, Ukara came, 2 letter. And Sam, that Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat, and the Suvaha he had churned, last one, Makara came. Akara, Ukara, Makara. Akara, Ukara, Makara also difficult. Therefore what they did, they make a Sandhi. A plus U become O. Guna Sandhi. It became a Sandhi. O. Is a silent word, the letter. Om, Om. If you say Om, it is equal to chanting all the 3 Vedas. Appa. People can the Omkara Dhyanam Pandadukku time illa. Om and Choladukku kuda no time. What to do? All the best, next birth. In the laziness no limit, no. Human being, laziness. That's why whole karma kanda rituals are meant to convert the animal man into man. Rituals, puja, sandhya vandhanam, Om Bhu Bhuvas, the sandhya vandhanam pannu Om Bhu Om Bhum Suha Om Maha Om Jana Om Satyam Tam. Idella solli Apo Jyotira Somratam Bhut Bhuvaswarom idu solradhukulla sandhya vandhanam time illanu solra. Enga purity tejas enga varudhu? Varchase illaye. இது மந்திரா படித்ததானே மந்திரம் வர்ச்சஸ் வரும். ஜப்பம் பண்ண லேக்ஸ் அண்ட் லேக்ஸில் ஜப்பம் எவ்ரி ஒன் கேன் டூ. ஜப்பா யூ நீட் நாட் ஸ்பெண்ட் எனி திங். அதே சொல்லப்போற பகவான். அப்போ ஜப்பம் வந்தப்போ சொல்லுவேன், இந்த கிராமன்ன சப்தம் அந்த ஓம் எவ்வளோ பவர்ஃபுல் பாருங்க. ஸோ கர்மகாண்டா meant to convert that animal man into man. Then Jnanakanda, Vedanta, end portion of Vedas meant for what? Convert the man into divine man. God man anna edo gnapam varum namakku. God man venda, divine man. God man kuda tappilla. Ena yararo God man solli ella கோர்ட்டுக்கு போறாங்க இப்போ. All God man. ஆனா அந்த வார்த்தை சொல்றதுக்கு பயமா இருக்கு. There is no difference between God man and divine man. So Bhagavan பேர் சொல்லி ஏமாற்றக்கூடாது பீப்புள்னி. How can you cheat the people? You are cheating yourself. In the name of God, you cannot cheat people. Really speaking, you are cheating yourself. You can become divine man. This is the whole process. Therefore, Arjuna, யூ கேன் மெடிடேட் அப்பான் ஓங்காரா வித் பகவான் நேம். அது அவர் சொல்லலை, சாஸ்திர பிரகாரமா ஓம் ஃபார் மென்ட் சந்நியாசிஸ் ஓன்லி. Now then யஜ்ஞானாம் ஜபயஜ்ஞா பார் வந்துச்சு ஜபயஜ்ஞம். How great ஜபயஜ்ஞம். If you do 1 lakh, japa, either Ramanama, Krishna Nama, Devi Nama, any Nama, 1 lakh you do, எது நினைச்சா சித்தி கிடைக்கும். 1 lakh கவுண்ட் பண்றதே கஷ்டம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஒரு 100 பண்றதுக்குள்ள ஜப்பம் மனசு எங்கேயோ குரங்கு மாதிரி அங்கெங்கேயோ போயிடும். திருப்பி என்னாச்சுன்னா மல்லி கம் டு த பேக் டு த பைபிளியான் again you start like this with so many hurdles. 1 lakh எப்படி கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண போறோம்? அதுக்குள்ள எத்தனை ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்துன்னு இருக்கு நமக்கு ஃபேமிலியில. 1 lakh பண்ணணும். அதெல்லாம் ராமகோட்டி ரைட் க்ரோர்ஸ்ல ராமகோட்டி வை புக் தே கீப் கணக்கு அதெல்லாம் எழுதிட்டானா அப்பா 1 கோடி என்ன. கண்டிப்பா அந்த ஜெனரேஷன்ல ஒரு நல்ல புனிதமான ஒரு ஞானி வில் born definitely. Whoever does this crores writing, no, Narayana, Om Namo Narayana, Om Namo Narayana, or Om Namah Shivaya, Om Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Rama. These are all meant for the meditation ko sadhana. Yajnanam, among so many yajnas, there are a lot of rituals. But Japa Yajnam is the best. So, I am that Japa Yajnam. What do you mean by Japa Yajnam? Chanting one name of the Lord, that's all. It is a Yajna. If you chant the name of the Lord, you are doing what? Yajna. Why it is called Japa? Jakaro Janma Vichedaha Pakara Papanashanaha. Avritti, mantra avritti you do, you go on chanting mantra repeatedly. Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram. This is called avritti. Repeatedly if you chant, it is called avritti. Punaravritti. Repeatedly chanting. Tiripi tiripi chollan. How long? Saapad chonna, how long and yaradhu kekkranga. Eating and how long to eat, nobody will ask. But Japam Pandana, Yatra Neram Pandana, Swamini, how many times? How many times have Pandinde? Until it soak into your subconscious mind. Unnak ariyamale adi manasukulla or part ketavana ade part vandunduma irukada. Vaji 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 na ade varum. Sivaji part அது ஒரு வாட்டி கேட்டவன நம்ம குழந்தை என்ன பாடுவா அதே பாடிண்டே இருப்பான். அது எது எது கேட்குறோமோ அதே வரும். அது மாதிரி மந்திரம் சொல்லிட்டே இருந்தா என்ன திருப்பி 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 சொன்னா அதே மனசுல ரிங் ஆயிண்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ வித்தவுட் யுவர் எஃபர்ட், ஸோ தெர் ஆர் லாட் ஆஃப் அட்வான்டேஜ் இஃப் யூ டேக் ஜப யக்னம். ஏன்னா பணம் செலவு கிடையாது. அட்வான்டேஜ் நம்பர் 1. Everyone can chant. Brahmana can chant. Kshatriya can chant, Vaishya can chant, Shudra also can chant. Japam. Japam பண்ணலாம் எல்லாருமே. பகவான் நாமம் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ பணம் செலவு கிடையாது, எல்லாருமே பண்ணலாம். எனிவேர் யூ கேன் டூ. இப்போ ரிச்சுவல் என்றால் யக்ஞம் யாகம் ஹோமம் என்றால் யூ கேனாட் டூ எவ்ரிவேர். ஒருத்தர் கேட்டார், அமெரிக்கா போய் சுவாமி அங்கே போய் நான் தர்ப்பணம் பண்ணலாமா ஸ்ரார்த்தம் பண்ணலாமான்னு சொன்ன அந்த வாத்தியார் சொன்னாரா பலமே கிடைக்காதுன்னு சொன்னாரா. அது இந்த நாட்டில் தான் பண்ணணும். ஜம்பூ த்வீபே பரத வருஷே பரத கண்டையில தான் பண்ணணும். அப்ப என்ன பலம்னா அது மாதிரி அதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும்னா ஒரு பிளேஸ் வேணும். ஜப்பம். ஸோ கண்டினியூ த ஜப்பம் மோர் இன் த நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ். பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.